Again, guys, so we continue exactly where we left. Actually, I'm considering if I really want to go more down, because if the constructor 16 are high enough, it's high enough for the constructor 16. Do we really need assembler in the under? Because here we're missing a whole assembler thing. See, we need 2 more assembler. I mean, 1 more level, whole level. So I'm considering, because maybe we can have 2. This one anyway we cannot get much more. So this one we just leave it here. Just leave it at this height. It's enough for constructor. And if we need assemblers, once we're down there, we will have more space for that. So starting around here, we can go a bit more down. Let's see. So around here. Say something like this. Does it allow us to put some assemblers there without blocking anything? Let's see. Assembler X8. I think it's fine. It's working. Okay, I think it's good. I'm satisfied with that height. Just need to redo it because it's not perfect. It's not well aligned. I'm afraid to multi-select incorrectly, so. Alright. So this level allows us for assemblers if we need to. See where it can go. It can go to here. Alright. On the other side, I don't think we have any big space under. So, no, we will definitely not have any big space under. So here. Okay for me. So since it's only assembler that we actually need, I think I'm maybe going to build it in this area. So if we need assembler, I mean, since it's only constructor that we're needing right now. Maybe it's fine to just okay, this is not bad. So we build it here, the screws, manufacturing, build it here. Yeah, let's make it here. So we need screws. We need screws. So 480 for two manufacturers, plus 240. So, yep. This is the input, and this is the output there. So, yeah. All right. Plus, maybe I will make another porta for, because, you know, if we build, who knows, maybe one day we want to, because manufacturers are just one unit, maybe at some point we use some shards there and increase the production, and it's always good to have let's do the exact same thing next to it. How to align it the same way. Okay, this way they're perfectly aligned. All right, let's get the this down. Maybe I don't want to pollute. This. So let's just bring it up this way. And here we split. But this one. Probably Mark 1. No, okay. I thought it was the 16 thing. So this manufacturer can, the screws can also be used when we need 12. You see it's 12 instead of 16. Okay, this is split to 2. Right. So maybe... like this. It's gonna get flooded very fast, so maybe we don't need to split evenly. Just chain like this, maybe. bring electricity here. Is there anything up there? Yeah, okay. Trying to find some block I can remove. No. Still not. I can remove something. Yeah, I already removed something there. Okay. I just want to build a shop because I want to buy the electrical thing that goes on both sides. Where is it? Is this one? I don't know if they can go through the floors as well. It's a good question. Wall power outlet. Okay, let's just buy it. See add-on.
Fixit is not responsible for personal damage, environmental damage, psychological damage, or lowered standards that may result from use of these products.
I think it's for walls only.
Enjoy your purchase.
Otherwise I will put the electricity through this hole, no problem. Let's see. Can I use it there? No, unfortunately. It's only to pass through walls, but not through floors. Okay, so I'm gonna upgrade this one. It's not connected. Okay. So on this side, unfortunately, we're gonna do the same here. Yeah, on this side, unfortunately, we cannot use all the screws that we have. Actually, this one we really want it to be Mark 4, not Mark 3. Okay. And yeah, let's put a remerge here. Merger. Otherwise, maybe the easiest is just to do like this and like this. And then we just put mergers each time, try to align some stuff. I don't know why it doesn't allow us to align properly. No, for this one it does. Merge. Let's start by the worst as the firstest. Okay. Okay. Merge. 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 Okay. 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 Normally you should, yeah. How is it up there? Why is it limiting up there? Imagine I should be able to push all these screws. Okay, let's go back up. Still have some modular frames there. What happens? Okay, maybe it's because I linked. Okay, maybe it's. I didn't set what I want. I thought I did. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I reset. Yeah, I removed it afterwards because I put some pipes. Okay. How is it now? Is it better? Let's see how it is for screws. 40. This one uses a lot of material. I'm tempted to use the somersault. Yeah, we have some somersault, so why not use it? Or anyway, they're gonna be used in the final part. Maybe let's use it in the final parts. So pass. This one's better on the right side. We have the smart plating. This is right side. Okay. Let's make it start to have some modular frames. Did we start to have computers earlier? I didn't see any computer going. It's as if the computer didn't work. Let's have a look. Maybe something's wrong with it. We're not getting plastic? Oh. Oh. Thought so. There was a problem. $40 plastic per minute. So Mark 3 is fine. Okay. We start making so back to business. 500 thing. We set it on the right side. So we're tracking this one. Motor, rubber, smart plating. Okay. Right. Let's add 2 smart splitters here. So this one is motor. Smart plating. And then we need rubber. Alright. Same, it's assembler, I guess. Manufacturer, sorry. Manufacturer. In this case, since it's a final part, maybe we will use the. We want to be boosting one only manufacturer. So we only build one. Missing motors. Okay, so we can make it happen. Yep, 3 motors. Alright, manufacturer. Huh? I don't know, just manufacturer. Okay. Just one like this. Later on, maybe we'll redo it. Okay. Electrical plug. And we're making modular engines. Well, I don't see any smart plating. I turned off the smart... I think I turned off the smart plating as well. Anyway, full power. double the output. Where did we make the smart plating? Here maybe? Let's see. Yep. No. Remember, I shut down the input maybe? Not the input. Here, right? So, in. And then we have to transfer the smart platings. Let's just let it run a bit. We have many smart platings in the repo that we've been making, I think. So we need to retransform them. For that, I think we will use maybe a belt injector. So exceptionally, we use a merger here, and a container, industrial container. We don't need this one anymore. Now we have the industrial container, and so whenever we need to trash some stuff back inside. We can just use that way. Let's pick up some smart platings there. I don't need that. Smart platings. Some are still going in, I think. Reserve here. Okay. It's gonna take us a few trips. Or since I know already where it is, I can just inject it there as well. What's this? Some extra modular frames. Okay, smart platings are now being built again. But they're going out, right? Instantly being put back. Okay. Smart plating. Any spare here? Some stuff here? I don't think so. Even we make a mistake when we put them. If it's not saturated, at some point they will get off the belt, and then they will go back to the right container. So it's no big deal. So I guess we're done. We will also need to do that with the wiring. I'll be taking some settings. This one is the wiring. That's too much. I will clean my inventory for next time. Just trash some pipes and stuff. And steel, and pipe again. One more trip after that and we're good. And we're nearly full, so... Okay. So now we want to check the output there. Okay, it's running. To the merge file. Alright, so did I set up everything there? I'm not sure. I need to just make sure that we fill things correctly. Modular engine to the right. And this one will be the last part. Adaptive control unit. Okay. Adaptive control unit to the right. Okay. Last part, adaptive control unit. This one we're clear. Okay. So add to-do list. We need computers, automated wiring, circuit board, heavy modular frames. So 4 comes from the from the shared belt. And I mean 3 come from the shared belt, and then the circuit board is the third one. So it's on the left side. So I'm going to do the same as the other one, maybe one manufacturer, and use the summer loop. It will be fine. Let's put it somewhere we have enough space and it's not too tight. Yeah, like here, it's okay. Smart splitter, smart splitter. This one's gonna be on the left, automated wiring. This one on the left is gonna be computer. Oh. Strange to have one. This one's not connected. Why this one is not connected? Am I missing something here? No? Okay. So we have one that is unused, I guess. Oh, no. It's the one I actually used, that I created myself. Okay. Late. Automated wiring I did already. So, computer, sorry. Left side is computer. And then this one is heavy modular frame. Bring everything to the manufacturer here. Here. Put the adaptive control. Full shot, power. So we get 1.75. We would have wanted one more summer loop. Maybe we can take some at the that we use for the steel beam. If the steel beam is full right now. We'll see how it feels up there. It's fast enough or not. 4 per minute is gonna be. It's gonna take 20 minutes. I understand well. If it's full. Okay, and we. So let's see. Just a couple pull. 1, 2, and then 3. So, and we need to split our circuit board as well. Oops. I see I created one that shit there. Okay. Second. Third. Right. Too steep. Any way of making it? No. So we need to bring it down. A bit faster. We have so many frames anyways, just for the speed. Now we don't want to ask ourselves too many questions. Okay, good. Same. Just need to merge everything to the output. plant. All right. Any extra somersault? No. We'll check at the base. Okay, normally everything's fine now. It's just a matter of 20 minutes. It's exactly the time remaining for this video. Maybe we will be able to end the space elevator shipping. So now I have a little time. Just want to see what we can do with the byproducts, you remember, of oil and stuff. We had the petroleum coke that we may be interested in. So how do we make it? Just some oil residue can make some coke. Okay. For now we have no usage. Strange. Petroleum coke. How to make it? In the refinery. Okay. Here we produce fuel, and it's here that we have extra. So we have this refinery used for making smokeless powder. If we can give it black powder, we want another refinery maybe after that. Refinery. After that for missing material, copper sheets. Okay, let's go pick some up. Cable finished. Maybe I can take some extra of this. So cable is over. One of this actually, get rid of it. Okay. This was for producing copper sheets, if you remember well. All of this goes to trash. We don't need any of this. Just a container, we leave it, but the rest goes down the sink. So, okay, there's just this pillar being used. Okay, some extra copper sheets. Maybe I can. Yeah, just take all of them. One here. One here. Okay. Let's build one more refinery there. Refinery. Okay. So let's pick this one. Upgrade this one so we can have more on it. Okay, let's see what it does. Petroleum coke. So yeah, it's just building coke. But this is not used by anything. Was there any other from this one? Was there anything we could do? Can make smokeless powder. We needed to make smokeless powder. So we can automate the making of black powder from sulfur and coal, and then we can input it inside the smokeless powder, inside the refinery. Sorry. So here I'm gonna probably handle it under. Where is the train station? It's under, right? So we just need one assembler basically. Yeah, over there. Just take it there and then walk here, bring it up here. We're not gonna produce a lot for now. Just make Mark III. But yeah, black powder here we want. Just put one assembler there. So you can just Alright, so here just one assembler. We just want some stuff automated, but we don't want stuff to be too complicated. If we need to improve production at some point, we'll see. But for now, we just link stuff. I think it's not the right provider. It comes on the other side actually. Okay, sulfur, coal. Not a lot of coal. This one should be fine, no? Not really. Okay. So let's just bring it up a bit more, that's all. just make it like this. No more problem. Not perfect, but does the job. Maybe a problem of yeah, much better. This one's making black powder. I'm just gonna ship it there. This one's too high. Okay. So we have black powder, smokeless powder being produced. All the smokeless powder is being used to produce smokeless powder. Out. Perfect. I have nothing going on. Maybe under maybe. Not fast. It's gonna be better now. Okay, petroleum. Smokeless powder. Still nothing going? Or nothing going? The wrong hole. Still used the one. Okay, it's running. So making powder. I'm not sure we can get the shots back here. I think we need to run too fast. So what to do with petroleum coke? I will take the made the MAM. Sulfur. No. I have no idea how to use it for now. Turbo fuel. How to make turbo fuel. The new fuel. What does it take? Coal? Compacted coal. So compacted coal, it's a sulfur and okay. Turbo fuel, compacted coal, and fuel. Okay. So is this fuel more efficient? I'm not sure we'll be using that to fuel the fuel generators. By the way, about the electrical consumption. Okay, not bad. Is it correct? Okay. We keep the packager, but maybe we don't. Maybe we can remove that part. We don't need to package fuel anymore. Let's just get rid of it. Ah, too much shit. Okay. Okay. Still need one here. Okay, ingots. That one I don't give a shit. Coal. Yeah, whatever. Take all. So I want to be using fuel to make turbo fuel. Maybe I will put the refinery here. Same, we bring this one from sulfur. This one's gonna be fuel. So no need for this. Right. Plug it. Turbo fuel. Fuel, which is gonna arrive soon. No? Fuel, right? I'm injecting fuel. Okay, maybe it needs the second one. Okay, and then compacted coal. Okay. We will make next to the other assembler down there. Hello. Another assembler here. Let's just split this one here. Split this one here. Up. Okay. This one's gonna make a compacted coal. That's not what I was making here? No, black powder. Compacted coal. Let's use a little power. Now we need to input it there. Where's the hole? So it's that one. And socket. Let's have more, one more. what happened here? There's a side I put the wrong direction. How can it be the wrong direction? Ah! Okay, the refinery is in the wrong direction. That's the pain. That's why it was not filling. Turbo fuel. To power. Now it's going in. Turbo fuel. Now let's package it. Wrong direction again. What's wrong? Okay, package turbo fuel. After that, what we're gonna do is we're going to put we're going to build some we would transfer it directly to our pocket because we have some Mercer's fizz, and I think it's good to have the fuel always available, so that's mandatory to us now. Maybe I can just make as many as I can anyway. Okay. So dimensional depot and the power. Still. All right. $20 per minute. Let's boost it a bit. We want a bit some extra as soon as possible. What else can we do? the parts. We're still making the engines up there. It's taking too much time. We're arriving at the end of the video. I'm considering what could be interesting. It could be good to have automated rifle ammo. We have some copper sheets coming down there exactly, so it's perfect. We can steal some and use the smokeless powder. This will be for tomorrow. So yeah, rifle ammo, high-speed connectors. For that we need Caterium, but anyway it's not required, so let's wait for next phase to know if we really need to beat that one. So rifle ammo, so that when we go to jungle we have unlimited ammo. Explosive rebar, we can make it as well. We need some steel pipe. It's the same down there. We have everything, but we need the rebar. So iron rebar. Yeah, we can make it happen. Bring the rebar here, and what else? Liquid biofuel. We don't need. Water and biofuel. Anyway, this one is not unlimited, so heavy oil residue, oil, resin we did, circuit board we did, petroleum coke we have, and if we don't need it, Nobelisk we don't need. We don't need for now. It's pipes and black powder. But it's the same. We need to steal some pipes from the pipes there. It's not a big deal. What else? Black powder. Crystal oscillator. This one is a bit like the other one. We need the other one needed Caterium. This one, it means we need to bring the SAM and the quartz all the way to the base. So yeah, I'm not sure that's what we want right now. Maybe next session, but we still don't need it yet, so we can wait a bit more. Raw quartz, AI limiter, we don't produce it as well. It's also related to Caterium. Let's just wait until we get driven by the next phase. Okay, maybe I will mark a few things that I forgot to do. So, where's my pen? In the next episode, AI limiter, oscillator, we said rifle ammo, so easier to go around, explosive rebar, okay, rebar, the fuel we have it, the polymer resin we already making class. Crystal oscillator will be for beef next time. Okay, I mark AI limiter, but I mean for next time. Will not be for immediately because we don't know when we're gonna really need it. It's not necessary to use power for things that are not ready. that we don't need right now. I want to add one more reinforced plate manufacturer. I saw that it's always empty. Let's see again, one last time. Modular frame, iron bar, steel backhoe, steel beam, wires, low quartz. Yeah, and maybe at some point we will bring also quartz and SAM on the train. I mean, we will expand the train. We will add a second train actually that goes there, I think, and then go to another station probably. Quartz plus SAM. It will be later. Okay, that's the to-do list. High-speed connector will be at some point as well. We will mark it. I don't know what it's gonna be used for now. We don't have any usage, so what's the point? We need Caterium to make quick wire. Okay, let's wait for next phase. So yeah, in the next episode we will have rifle ammo, explosive rebar, reinforced plates. This should be enough to bring us to be done with the space elevator and this phase. And we will try to finish. After that, we will talk about the next phase and what we need to build. I still keep in mind that we don't have the quartz and the SAM being brought back to the base. The crystal oscillator, the AI limiter, and the high-speed connectors are still not automatically produced. But we don't have any immediate use for them for now. So, okay, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.